In this video, I'll be carrying out the fastest battery replacement on this HP laptop. Before I dive into the video, I need you to hit the subscribe button so you keep getting notified whenever I drop a new video. So a customer brought in this system for me to replace the battery because the system isn't lasting long or lasting as it should. So first, I'll be opening up the system, which is basically the most difficult part of this repair. So stay tuned while I open up the laptop. So now I've taken out the old battery and I'll be replacing it with this new HP battery we have here. And just like that, the laptop battery has been replaced. Next, I'll be scrolling the system back and turning it on. If you found this video in any way helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you keep getting notified whenever I drop a new video.